Here's a 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger with Lariat trim package. This particular truck is the 460 underneath the hood. It's got the big V8. This truck was owned by the same family since it was new up till about 4 years ago when we actually took it in, consigned it for the family. Father's son had owned it, and we consigned it for him and sold the vehicle, like I said, 3-4 years ago, I suppose. That was the second owner of this truck. The original owners had the engine rebuilt. It's probably been 5-6 years ago now, approximately 50,000-60,000 miles since the rebuild. It was repainted once upon a time when they were kind of going through the engine and redoing stuff. It is starting to show some rust. There are some areas where there are rust down below, but as far as driving, getting in and going, good running driving truck. Age is starting to show on it, like I said, some of the metal and what have you. Paint's not in bad shape besides those areas. Spray and bed liner, obviously you can see it's the Supercab long box. Don't see a lot of those trucks around. Runs, like I said, runs great, drives out nice. Tonneau cover, spray and bed liner, power steering, power brakes, also nicely equipped. I'm going to slip around to this side, and again you can see some of the areas where it's starting to show. Go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. And also the interior seats, nice shape, not ripped, torn. Door cards were also replaced along the way, decent shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Forget what it shows, 107,000, obviously that's been rolled over. Starts right up, nice little idle to it. Flip around back, you can hear it. Like I said, it's got a nice little rumble to it. Big V8 underneath the hood. If you'd like to see the still pictures, I shot some of the underside solid on it. But yeah, if you want to check out the box, the engine bay, interior pics, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also give us a call. It'd be 507-386-1726, and we can sure help you out with this 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger Supercab long box.